I'm going to show you how to harvest your own rainwater. That will cost you $0, most likely. So here's what I did. It's very primitive, but you know what? I believe it's going to work. So odds are you have a trash can, right? Odds are you've got gutters. Maybe you might need to cut one and hang one like so. That goes right in. I mean, there it is. It doesn't get any simpler, more primitive, cheaper than that because it's free. If you have to buy a trash can, what's that, a few bucks, 10 bucks, 15 bucks? A gutter, I'm sure you have it. But yeah, that's it. So this is my new herb garden in my backyard area that I'm putting in this year. And I don't feel like putting a garden hose back here, so even though I've got that option, it would be super simple to do. So I've got a spigot on the side of the house, another in the front of the house. I've got long garden hoses, but I just kind of want to, do it super old school. Go back to Little House in the Prairie. I know this is a little bit beyond that. I don't think they had trash cans like that back then. But I just really like the idea of moving at least a little bit closer to living off of the land and collecting natural rainwater. I think is a positive step forward in that direction. Also, it'll save a little bit on the water bill, maybe pennies or $1 or $2, but still, it's not bad. And with this particular method, by the way, I know there's all kinds of things people are doing where they get barrels and they put something on the bottom of it so that they can fill up, a hose so that they can fill up these. But with this, I'll just be able to quickly scoop it in here. I got my water. I don't care if I get a hand wet in the process. I just don't care. And maybe someday I'll upgrade and I'll figure out how to put a spigot like on the bottom of this or something and raise it on a surface with a shut-off valve so that I can just fill it with a little garden hose. Who knows? 'Cause I know that's a thing out there too. But for now, I'm kind of digging this, and I'm sure it's going to work out just fine. Next time it rains, this basket here will fill up with water, and it's a 32-gallon trash can, so it'll last me for weeks when it doesn't rain. I'll be able to go back here and water my little herb garden. It's pretty cool. So comment below and let me know if you're going to try something similar to this, or if you're going to get fancier than I am and maybe put a little spigot at the bottom of it so you can attach a garden hose to it. And let me know. And my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. It's all about living better, money, wealth, independence, financial freedom, healthy living, chemical-free, natural, organics, living off the land, personal philosophy, just anything under the wide umbrella of what makes life better. All right, guys, till the next video. Mwah. Bye for now.